What's up, Blue Chips? One trade today on REGI. Let's get to it. All right, traders, so my commentary was very minimalistic during this trade. I was kind of dealing with the kids kind of tugging on me, and it is also Shit Show Tuesday. So I'm going to kind of do something a little different. I'm just going to do a little recap over top of the live trade just so you guys can see the live trade, but kind of still get my thought process behind it. Sorry it isn't in real time, but I can assure you since it just happened, I know this is exactly what I was thinking. So here it is. So we were just looking for this thing to stop here. We were looking for that whole dollar break, and we got it. This is where we jumped in, got an entry of 26.39 that shot right up towards 27. We immediately realized that this thing wanted to be super spready, so we were trying to get in on the ask as much as possible here. We put an order in here at 27.30, and it dropped right below us. We kind of sit there waiting to see if it'll give us a fill. We end up canceling this, and we end up getting it a little bit higher because we had noticed that it was getting ready to jump up, especially the ask was way above our price. It just hadn't filled yet. So we took an ad there at 27.54, and basically we were looking for this thing to go over 28. We were going to do a 112 here, but just because it was moving so quick and we got a pretty early entry, we decided to turn it into a 1-1 and then a 1-1 for the two, just in case. So we changed it to 50 here, and we were looking pretty much for it to just get over 28 and kind of hold for a second for us to get an ad. And as you'll see, I was getting ready to put an order in there on the ask above 28, but then we get a nice little pop here, and I noticed the bid pop up with it through 28 the second time here, and that's when you're going to see us hit the button. This is exactly what I was waiting for. I was just hoping for that quick 28 pop because it clearly was trying to pull back. There it was. So the ask was up another 20 cents, but we were just happy that the bid got up as high as it did. And to be honest, looking back, I was kind of in the moment. As you can see, I'm pretty focused. I guess you can't really see me on the screen, but I was pretty focused, and I should have put an order in right there up over 28 where I wanted it, because we ended up getting 28.28, and I was probably going to put an order at 28.20. So to be safe, in case the bid didn't come up there, I should have had an order sitting there on the ask just in case. But as you can see, we did get it. So just to fast forward a little bit, it does eventually come down here, and we just put an order for 125 of our shares sitting there at, I believe it was 27.10, and we were just looking for the test. Yeah, you can see us on the bid. And then just in case we got the quick 26 or 27 flush, I put the extra 25 down there at 26.75, and as you can see, we do end up getting filled there. And then it does eventually here kind of drop down. There we are on the bid, and we get taken out for the last 25. So fast forwarding a little bit, you'll see that it does keep dropping. And if we X out of this real quick, you'll see that it did end up going all the way down to 24.86. And our last take cover was at 26.84. So a bit frustrating there that we didn't try to hold, but this was our last little bit of a Shit Show Tuesday. It should be our last one for a good while. So pretty much taken our quota of 50 bucks, 52 to be exact. Nice and quick here on REGI. The float wasn't that great. You can see it's still sitting here on the scanner. It's at 38 mil, but it was pretty close, and this move was just pretty hard to pass. We got the volume, the big overextension. I was pretty happy taking this one. I just started with smaller share size because of the range that it had, as well as it being a little bit low floater, and it worked out just like it should have. High probability play, high probability result. So that's all I have for you. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate that support. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and look for the summary of the top YouTube traders later tonight. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning for the live stream. Peace.